In this video, we're exploring the verb to motivate, its meaning, how it's commonly used in business settings, and how to use it accurately in the present, past, and future tenses. You'll see practical workplace examples and a realistic conversation that uses all of these forms naturally. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to use motivate confidently in meetings, emails, and everyday professional communication. To motivate means to encourage someone to take action or perform better. It also means to give someone a reason, energy, or desire to do something. Motivate is a regular verb. The present tense is motivate, the past tense is motivated, and the past participle is motivated. The verb motivate has a number of common uses. Number 1, motivate employees to work harder. Number 2, you motivate a team to achieve goals. Number 3, you motivate someone to take action. And number 4, you are motivated to improve. We will now look at the present forms of the verb motivate. The present simple of the verb motivate is used for habits, roles, general truths, and regular actions. Example sentences with the verb motivate in the present form include: I motivate my team to meet deadlines. Good leaders motivate employees to perform better. The present continuous of the verb motivate is used for actions happening now or temporary situations. The structure is subject plus am, is, or are plus the verb ing, and example sentences include: I have motivated my team to achieve better results. She has motivated employees to take more responsibility. The present perfect of the verb motivate is used for actions completed in the past that are relevant now. The structure for this is subject plus have or has plus past participle. Example sentences include: I have motivated my team to achieve better results. She has motivated employees to take more responsibility. The present perfect continuous of the verb motivate is used for showing how long an action has been happening up to now. Its structure is subject plus have or has plus been plus verb ending in ing, and two example sentences are: I've been motivating my team to improve communication. She has been motivating staff to increase productivity. Next, we will look at the past forms of the verb motivate. The past simple of motivate is used for finished actions at a specific time in the past. The structure of this is subject plus the past verb. Example sentences for the verb motivate include: I motivated the team to meet the deadline. She motivated her employees during the crisis. The past continuous of the verb motivate is used for actions that were in progress at a past moment. The structure for the past continuous of the verb motivate is subject plus was or were plus the verb ending in ing. And example sentences include: I was motivating the team during the changes to the company. She was motivating staff while the manager was away. The past perfect of the verb motivate is used for actions completed before another past action. The structure for this is subject plus had plus past participle. Example sentences include, I had motivated the team to act before the issue escalated. She had motivated employees to prepare for the launch. The past perfect continuous of the verb motivate is used for showing how long an action had been happening before a past point. The structure is subject plus had plus been plus verb with ing. Examples include, I had been motivating the team for months before the contract was renewed. She had been motivating the staff for months before the company made a profit. We will now move on to future forms of the verb motivate. The first future form is the future simple, which uses will. It's used for decisions made at the moment, promises, or predictions. The structure for this is subject plus will plus the base verb. Two example sentences include, I will motivate the team to reach the target. She will motivate employees to stay engaged. The future continuous of motivate is used for actions that will be in progress at a future time. The structure for the future continuous is subject plus will plus be plus verb with ing. Example sentences include, I will be motivating the team to adapt to new goals. She will be motivating staff during the transition period. The future perfect of the verb motivate is used for actions that will be completed before a specific future time. The structure for this is subject plus will plus have plus past participle. Two example sentences with the future perfect for motivate include, I will have motivated the team to meet expectations by Friday. She will have motivated employees to accept the changes. Next up is the future perfect continuous of the verb motivate. It's used for showing how long an action will have continued up to a future point. Its structure is subject plus will plus have plus been plus verb with ing. And two example sentences for this include, I will have been motivating the team to improve for 2 years next week. By June, she will have been motivating staff to grow professionally for 1 year. The final future form for the verb motivate is going to, which is used for planned intentions. Its structure is subject plus am, is, or are plus going to plus the base verb motivate. Example sentences here include, I'm going to motivate the team to increase sales. She is going to motivate employees to develop new skills. You're now going to hear a conversation which includes all of the tenses that we have covered for the verb motivate.
I motivate my team to take ownership of their work.
Right now, you're motivating them to stay focused.
Yes, I have motivated employees to improve performance.
And you have been motivating the team to adapt to change.
Last year, I motivated the team to meet tight deadlines.
I remember, you were motivating staff during the transition.
That's true. I had motivated them to act before issues appeared.
And you had been motivating the team for months by then.
Next quarter, I will motivate employees to reach new goals.
During that time, you'll be motivating the team across regions.
By the end of the year, I will have motivated everyone to improve.
And by then, you will have been motivating teams for over a decade.
I'm also going to motivate the team to develop new skills.
Before we finish, here is a useful table which shows each of the tenses we have covered in this video. The table includes the tense, the meaning, and an example sentence. If you like, you can pause the video and have a closer look at each of these. Finally, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Keep an eye out for our next video, and as always, keep learning.